Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, you will learn how to use the dynamic zoom feature in DaVinci Resolve 19. Let's start by launching DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Open the project you want to work on by selecting it from the Project Manager. Navigate to the Edit tab in the bottom menu. In the timeline, click on the clip you want to apply the zoom effect to. With your clip selected, locate the inspector panel on the upper right corner of the interface. If the inspector is not available or visible, click on the inspector button to open it. In the inspector panel, look for the dynamic zoom option. Toggle the switch to enable dynamic zoom. This will activate the zoom feature for your selected clip. You will see two rectangles on your clip in the viewer. The green rectangle represents the starting position, and the red rectangle indicates the end position of the zoom. Adjust the size and position of both rectangles to define how you want your zoom effect to look. Under the dynamic zoom settings in the inspector, find the zoom type dropdown. You can choose between options like in, out, or both to control how the zoom behaves. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!